Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal in the oven. First, gather your ingredients like rolled oats, milk, and your favorite sweeteners. Next, combine everything in a baking dish, ensuring it's well mixed. This method offers a hands-off approach, freeing up your stovetop and making breakfast prep a breeze. It's perfect for busy mornings or feeding a crowd with minimal effort. To begin, combine 2 cups of rolled oats with 2 cups of your preferred milk in a baking dish. Stir in 1/4 cup of your chosen sweetener, like maple syrup or brown sugar, and a small pinch of salt. You can also add spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg for extra flavor. Once mixed, place the dish into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. The beauty of oven-baked oatmeal is its versatility. Feel free to customize your dish by adding fresh berries, sliced apples, or even frozen fruit before baking. For a satisfying crunch, mix in chopped nuts like almonds or pecans, or sprinkle in some chia or flax seeds. After baking, a drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or a dollop of yogurt can elevate your breakfast experience even further. Once your oatmeal is golden brown and set, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly before serving. It's delicious warm, perhaps with a splash of extra milk or a sprinkle of brown sugar. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days, making it excellent for meal prep. For leak-proof containers and other great deals, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your easy and delicious oven-baked oatmeal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.